Hi loves, welcome back, and if you are new here, a warm welcome to you and thank you for joining me in today. In today's video, we are going to be making honey garlic shrimps with broccoli. I will list all the ingredients in the right quantity in the description box below for easy access, so please do check them out. In a bowl, I'm going to be adding some honey. To get your honey out of the cup quickly, I spray it with some cooking spray that will help the honey slide out nicely without it sticking. To the honey, I'm going to be adding some soy sauce. I'll add some ginger, some garlic, and I'll also add some red pepper flakes. I'll add some lemon pepper. I'm using this type. You can use any one you have. I'm going to give everything a good stir. And next, I'm going to be adding my shrimps. They are already washed, so I'm just going to put them into the mixture. I'll give it a good stir as well, and I will also add some chopped onions. This is optional, but you will love it. And I will also be adding some frozen broccoli. You can use fresh broccoli. That is fine as well. So I'll add all that to the shrimps and onion. I will mix everything and let it coat nicely with all the other ingredients. And next up, I'm going to be pouring this in my air fryer. I have a review video on this air fryer, so please do check it out. And I will also link the video down in the description box below. So I'm just going to push my basket in. It is a glass basket that was so nice and I love it. So I'm just going to set my temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 12 minutes. And our shrimps will be ready. I can see my cooking or what I'm cooking through the glass, and that is so cool. So after the 12 minutes, this is how our shrimps look. Beautiful. It is all done. And it just takes few minutes. That is what I like about the air fryer. It makes cooking so easy and convenient. And this air fryer is a non-stick glass. That is amazing. I also garnish this with some green onions or scallion, and you can serve this with some plain rice or coconut rice or some turmeric rice. I have the recipe for coconut and turmeric rice on the channel already. I will link those videos in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching this video. And if you like this simple recipe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe so you are notified anytime I upload a new video. See you in the next one.